In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Word Quick Parts. Imagine you're working on a document in Microsoft Word, and there are certain pieces of text or elements you find yourself using repeatedly. It could be anything from a specific header style, a signature block, or even a legal disclaimer. Constantly typing these out can be both time-consuming and monotonous. This is where Quick Parts come into play. A powerful feature in Microsoft Word designed to boost your productivity and efficiency by allowing you to insert reusable pieces of content quickly into your documents. So, let's dive into the details and see how you can start using Quick Parts. First things first, you need to open Microsoft Word on your computer. Start by clicking on the Windows Start menu. It's usually located at the bottom left corner of your screen, symbolized by the Windows logo. Once you've clicked on the Start menu, it's time to locate Microsoft Word. In the search bar that appears, simply type Word. As you begin typing, you'll notice that the search results start to filter, and Microsoft Word should appear on the list. Click on Microsoft Word to open the application. Once Word is launched, you're greeted with the option to start a new document or open a recent one. For our purposes, click on Blank Document, or select a recent document if you prefer to work on something you've already started. This action brings you to the main Word interface, ready to start editing or creating your document. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Quick Parts. You'll find this feature under the Insert tab. So, proceed by clicking on Insert, located at the top of the Word window. This tab houses various tools and functions to enrich your document, but our focus is on Quick Parts. Upon clicking Insert, look for Quick Parts in the options provided. It might seem a little daunting at first with all the choices available, but Quick Parts is usually found in the text group. Quick Parts is a repository of sorts that holds reusable elements like text, symbols, or even document properties that you can easily insert into your document. The beauty of Quick Parts is its ability to save a significant amount of time, especially if you deal with documents that share common elements. To use Quick Parts, simply click on it. This action opens a drop-down menu showcasing different elements you've saved or commonly used options like fields, document properties, and building blocks organizer. If you're using Quick Parts for the first time, you may not see much saved here. However, as you start adding your own elements, this menu will become increasingly personalized and handy. Now, you might be wondering, how do I add elements to Quick Parts? Well, the process is straightforward. Whenever you have a piece of text, a header, or any element in your document that you foresee using again, simply select it, go to the Quick Parts drop-down, and choose Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery. From there, you can assign it a name, categorize it, and even describe it, making it easier to find and reuse in the future. One tip to remember is that Quick Parts is particularly useful for text that is unlikely to change between documents. Think of it as a safe for your most valuable textual assets. Whether it's a closing line in your emails, a disclaimer, or a prefabricated table structure, Quick Parts can store it all. Over time, as you expand your Quick Parts library, you'll find your productivity in document creation and editing significantly enhanced. To summarize, Quick Parts in Microsoft Word are akin to having a set of building blocks at your disposal, ready to be used and reused, ensuring not only consistency across your documents, but also saving you a precious amount of time. Begin by opening Word, navigating to the Insert tab, and exploring the Quick Parts feature. With a bit of practice and exploration, you'll become proficient at using Quick Parts, making your document creation process smoother and more efficient. And there you have it, a simple guide on how to use Microsoft Word Quick Parts. Whether you're creating a new document from scratch or working on an existing one, integrating Quick Parts into your workflow can truly transform your productivity levels. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how much more you can achieve with this nifty feature at your disposal.